Hello friends, is your car's check engine light on? And do you notice poor fuel efficiency or a sluggish engine? If you've scanned your car and found P0437, it's not something you should ignore. This code is related to the catalyst temperature sensor on bank 2, and it could mean your catalytic converter isn't functioning properly. In this video, I'll explain what P0437 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0437? The P0437 error code stands for Catalyst Temperature Sensor Low Voltage, bank 2. This means that the voltage signal from the catalyst temperature sensor on bank 2 is too low, causing the ECU to think that the catalytic converter is not reaching the proper temperature. This could be due to a bad sensor, wiring issues, or even a failing catalytic converter. Common symptoms of P0437 include check engine light on, reduced engine performance or power loss, poor fuel economy, increased emissions or failed emissions test, and unusual exhaust smells like sulfur or rotten eggs. If your car is showing these symptoms, let's locate the catalyst temperature sensor and related components. The P0437 code affects the catalyst temperature sensor on bank 2, which is the side of the engine opposite cylinder 1. Catalyst temperature sensor on bank 2, found on or near the catalytic converter on bank 2. Catalytic converter on bank 2, located in the exhaust system, connected to the exhaust manifold. Upstream, O2 sensor, before the catalytic converter on bank 2. Downstream, O2 sensor, after the catalytic converter on bank 2. Exhaust manifold on bank 2. The starting point of the exhaust gases leading to the catalytic converter. Wiring and connectors, located along the exhaust system and connected to the ECU. Tip: check your vehicle's service manual for the exact sensor placement based on your car's make and model. Common causes of P0437 include 1. A faulty catalyst temperature sensor. A defective sensor may not be sending the right voltage signals. 2. Damaged or corroded wiring. A short circuit or broken wire can cause a low voltage reading. 3. A failing catalytic converter. A clogged or overheated converter may not reach the right temperature. 4. An oxygen sensor malfunction. If the upstream or downstream O2 sensor is faulty, it can affect exhaust temperature readings. 5. Exhaust system leaks. Any leaks before the catalytic converter can cause incorrect temperature readings. And 6. ECU issues or software malfunction. In rare cases, the ECU may need reprogramming or an update. How to fix P0437? Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm P0437 and check for related codes. Step 2. Locate the bank 2 catalyst temperature sensor and check for damage, loose wiring, or bad connections. Step 3. Test the sensor's voltage using a multimeter. If it's too low or fluctuating, replace the sensor. Step 4. Inspect the wiring and connectors for corrosion, burns, or loose pins. Step 5. Check the bank 2 catalytic converter for clogs, overheating, or internal damage. Step 6. Verify the oxygen sensors, both upstream and downstream, are working correctly. Step 7. Reset the code and take a test drive to see if it returns. The P0437 code is often caused by a faulty catalyst temperature sensor wiring issues or a failing catalytic converter. Fixing it early can prevent serious engine damage and costly repairs. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0156. O2 sensor circuit malfunction, bank 2 sensor 2, and P0157. O2 sensor circuit low voltage, bank 2 sensor 2. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.